Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in today's video, what we're gonna be doing is we got this 2022 Ford Bronco here. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a complete corner wrap with paint protection film on this sharp corner. Paint protection film is a lot harder to wrap corners completely with as opposed to vinyl, just due to its thickness. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I go ahead and wrap these corners. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I got my film here. I got my slip solution. Just gonna spray the paint down. Just gonna peel the film back from the liner. There we go. Just gonna spray the back of the film. Okay, there we go. Now, most of the times when someone's going to be doing a PPF installation where they're going to want to get complete coverage of the corner, they're going to be doing it on a bulk install. More than likely, they're not going to be doing it on a pattern. So there will be a bunch of excess film hanging off the edge, which is why I'm going to leave myself enough that I can grab onto. Just going to grab my squeegee, my tack solution, and get a bunch of tack solution underneath the film and onto the paint, because I want a really good bond to the paint. And when I pull on it, I don't want any issues. There we go. That's good. Now, I'm just gonna get a little bit more slip solution underneath here. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do is, when I do my pulling, I'm gonna pull this way, but I'm also gonna do it at a bit of a triangle as well too, because I wanna create a lot of tension around this corner, and then I'm gonna hook it around that corner so it grabs. So I'm gonna get some tack solution right over here, just on that corner, and on the film as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull. Hold that there, my one finger, keep a bit of tension. There we go. Now, I can squeegee all that down. I can start to work the film. Make sure the film is laying flat. I'm just gonna get everything squeegeed out. There we go. Get some tack solution right over here. Make sure I'm not popping up the edge. There we go. I'm just gonna get my rag, just dry this off. Now, if you zoom in with the camera, you can see there's no fingers along the edge, on the side, or along the bottom, and the film's hooked into place there, so it's not gonna pull back. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the hood open, and we're gonna finish this off. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my knife. I'm gonna trim off a bunch of the excess film, enough that I have just enough to wrap. When I get over here to this corner, instead of coming down and around, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come across right underneath that corner. Just like so. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm gonna take my tack solution, flush all that slip solution out that will have been underneath there. what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my thumb, pull the seal back. I'm gonna take my thumb, I'm just gonna wrap this corner. There we go. Do the same thing on that side. Now, last thing I want to do is I want to make sure that this corner is going to stay down. So you could take a heat gun, heat it up, or what I like to do is just take a torch and just give it just a tiny bit of heat, just enough that any film memory that may be left is gone and that corner is down completely. So yeah, that's how you go ahead and do a full corner wrap with paint protection film. Obviously at vinyl, you'd get a lot further underneath there, but with paint protection film, you know, we got the most of that corner done and it's not going to lift up, and then we can provide the customer with complete protection. Okay, thanks a lot for checking out the video. That's how I would go ahead and do a complete corner wrap with paint protection film. If you're a professional installer, maybe you would do things a little bit differently. Let me know in the comments section below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. We got lots of really good content coming. Thanks.